Lowe's has a great deal, and they say it's always till January on cabinets. I just ordered two 24-inch cabinets, but I ordered them. They'll be here by the 19th, and I got two 24 raw wood, like the raw wood I had in all the bottoms. Remember I did all the bottoms over in here? So that's coming from Lowe's. Guys, I think I gotta put them together. It looks like they come disassembled. Yeah, they were a great deal. $49 per cabinet. Do you know that is like ridiculously amazing? Because they're usually over $100 per cabinet. So all of those cabinets and stuff are like really like 50% off. A lot of stuff at Lowe's is like really low. So go check out Lowe's. I'm gonna try to post this, and I don't want you to miss out on that deal. So check out Lowe's. But that should be here when it comes. I will show it to you, and I'll probably assemble it and show you what it's going to look like. My whole goal, make sure that I have all this space for storage and like my appliances like that, but still have enough space for my trash can to still be here but not be like in the middle of the floor. So that's what we're doing.